क्यों हिंदी भाषा से इतना तुम्हें क्यों पे
नहीं मैं हिंदी भाषा से प्रेम करती हूँ पर हिंदी भाषा मुझसे प्रेम नहीं करता।
Tell me the most irritating thing about you. I was like, no, mom, stop doing this.
She's थोड़ा सा naggy sometimes. Oh. She taunts a lot कि ये भी करो and then ये भी करो and then कपड़े fold करो, keep your shoes inside, keep doing this. But if I didn't keep my shoes inside, she's like, what's wrong with you?
Yeah, I feel you.
What do you want to do? Future? सोचा है?
Quantum physics focuses more on what makes an atom. Like you've heard about recently, there's the discovery of quarks. They're trying to
Everything
make
you learn new about physics is definitely breaking some other law that was put in it.
You guys green addicted.
Okay, there's a very small percentage of people who are like addicted to their phones, and I feel because of that we all get generalized.
They ask you to choose between love and money.
Oh.
100%.
What attracts you in physics?
Particles actually. I really like particle physics and I love astrophysics as well.
Welcome.
Hello.
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 So I would like you all to introduce yourself first one by one. नाम बताओ, age बताओ.
I'm Nivi, I'm 15.
If you don't have to look at camera.
I am Nivi, I am 15.
15.
I'm Desiani. I'm
Oh, full-
15, almost 16.
I'm Reena. I'm 16.
Reenans. We all are same age group.
Yes.
Friends?
Almost. Yes.
कैसे बने दोस्त?
Me
So
and
we had
Reena-
this very big group in the apartment.
No, first me and Mirena met through school, and then Nivi was in the same apartment. We all joined.
She didn't like
together.
You first time when you met.
हाँ, she didn't like me.
She
I
liked
didn't
me
like
either.
her.
इसको ये याद
I
है
didn't like
We
her.
all of us didn't like each other at first, but we became good
They
friends.
liked each other. They were best friends.
No, we
She
didn't.
hated me so
At
much.
first we didn't.
Yeah, at first was when you were like 6 years old.
Hey, it's a trauma for her.
Yeah, it's really sad, guys.
All
I
of
would
us somehow we didn't like each other at first.
So it wasn't the love at first sight, huh?
No.
पूरा okay. But अभी क्या situation है? Best
Abhi
friends?
we are.
I don't think I meet
I
anyone
don't,
more
we
than
don't
one.
have any other friends
Yeah.
apart from each other, basically.
Possessive.
Yeah.
Okay. And which school you like पढ़ रहे हो? क्या पढ़ाई कर रहे हो? पढ़ते हो तुम लोग?
थोड़ा सा.
Liar.
It-
आप बताइए क्या पढ़ते कहाँ पढ़ते हैं आप?
मैं बेथनी हाई स्कूल में पढ़ती हूँ.
Which class?
9th grade.
अरे कब तक बोलती?
10th grade. I just started 10th grade, so
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm in 11th.
I'm going to go to Greenwood High School for 11th.
Schools are different.
I also just switched. I switched from DPS to Vidyar.
they were in the same school first, East,
Yes,
and then
DPS
Devyani
East.
shifted to East City for 9th and 10th grade.
8th, 9th, 10th.
8th, 9th, 10th. And
I
then,
stayed in
yeah.
East, but now
Mhm.
I'm gonna go to Greenwood.
Okay. I've never been in this too. We met through apartment only.
Okay. So you तो जब स्कूल में जाते हो और वापस आने you look forward to meet each other.
Yes. 100%.
You don't have that compatibility with anybody else in school?
We have friends,
We have
obviously,
friends
but we've been closest with each other.
I have a friend, her name is Man. She is very
best
good.
friend,
Haan,
yeah.
she is not.
So she's the only person we consider equal.
Oh.
Yeah, I have close friends, but none as close as them.
I also have a group of friends at school, but their
Yeah,
school
like-
started my school instead.
Besties.
Yeah.
Try okay. Good. और so who does it?
Think me. You good, No, she's the smartest. She's also smart. I think it's me.
She is also
I
smart.
like studying, but not everything because maths से अच्छा लगता है. I don't like science at all. मैंने किसी तरह pass किया है.
I am so bad actually.
Hindi and SST for
हिंदी
me
में
were
तुम्हें
medals.
तुम्हें क्यों हिंदी भाषा से इतना तुम्हें क्यों पे?
नहीं मैं हिंदी भाषा से प्रेम करती हूँ पर हिंदी भाषा मुझसे प्रेम नहीं करता.
KGF मूवी देख लिया क्या? अरे हाँ अच्छा ठीक है. तो how much have you spoken Hindi?
हाँ. Very good marks.
But I'll just tell.
I forgot.
इतना अच्छा मिलेगा बोल.
I forgot.
Do you guys enjoy giving exams?
No.
Depends on the exam.
What's your psychology when you go to like exam का वो रात याद है, like next day exam है, or then what happens in your mind?
It's different for different subject.
Okay,
Should we
what's
talk
your
about our boards?
math?
Math बहुत ही ज़्यादा anxious, बहुत.
Maths I try to
बहुत.
sleep. Like I just
मैं
don't
तो
like studying math.
पता नहीं कब से सिर्फ फेल ही हुई हूँ मैथ्स में पूरे 10th grade में, except for boards I've just failed.
Oh wow.
Why?
Yes.
No, because seriously,
It was very
yeah.
hard. It was
Hmm.
मुझे समझ नहीं आया and पूरे साल मुझे इस पे anxiety रहा है until boards. अब
So
तो it's gone.
Science as well, right?
Science हाँ science भी उतने अच्छे नहीं आए but maths more.
Are you more inclined towards art and
Yeah.
craft?
I mean,
something?
I don't like SST particularly, but I'm better at it. But I like drawing and sketching and stuff.
Yeah, very good.
And I want to pursue fashion, so.
So your left brain is more active. You know, left brain is more artistic.
Yeah. Yes.
Mhm.
Yes.
Okay. What about you?
So I'm opposite, you could say. I like science and maths. SST and Hindi are my worst subjects. But
Liar.
I mean,
Your SST wasn't that bad.
Exactly. You top.
no.
You
I had to do a lot for SST. Like I didn't have to study maths and science as much as I just put in effort for SST and Hindi. So I also pay attention to science. I want to do physics when I go older. So yeah, you could say we're very opposite in that sense.
You look like somebody who is going to become a future scientist.
Yes.
I've never gotten that.
100%.
I have never gotten that. No one told me that. They're always saying, you don't look like you do science.
Really? What do people
She
know?
बहुत makeup she does really well, so
I
usually
like-
people would
Please,
assume
you can-
that.
People don't assume that if you have hobbies, you can pursue science, which is
Yeah.
very unfair. But yeah, makeup is a hobby. I think of it as an
We'll talk about hobbies, but let's talk about exams first. देवी जी, आप बताइए, आपके जब हिंदी का एग्जाम होता है, तो पिछली रात को आप के दिमाग में क्या चल रहा होता है?
कुछ नहीं चलता है. I am very bad at Hindi. I try my very best. Before the exam, nothing happens. And then during the exam, nothing happens.
And
And
at
after the
results time,
exam,
nothing happens.
no, so much happens. So much sadness happens. It's very sad. But I really like physics. I really like the sciences. I'm planning on pursuing science when I get older because I've had a huge fascination for physics for a while. I wanted to be a scientist since I was younger, but it used to be bio. But I'm not very good at bio. But I really like physics now. So I'm definitely planning on becoming something physics related.
What attracts you in physics?
Particles, actually. I really like particle physics and I love astrophysics as well. I haven't gotten too much into it right now because I understand that even though we want to learn a lot more, there are steps in which you have to learn, otherwise you're not going to understand everything. Because of my dance and stuff, I've skipped a lot of classes and I've realized that even if I understand a topic, towards the end, if I don't understand it from before, then my foundation is going to fall. So I've been trying to get into it a lot, but not enough that everything doesn't fall apart.
Hmm.
But yes.
Oh, she spoke like a minute.
My
I really love physics. We are the
fake
tech-
physics.
Oh, nice.
We both are similar in that. sense,
Yeah.
at least,
But
that-
she's wanting to get into clean energy.
yeah, renewable energy.
Yeah.
So it's more on the terms of sustainability for me. I've been told that this is thermodynamics and physics, but it also plays a part in chemistry. Now, I don't particularly like chemistry, so this is an issue because it's the same thing. If you don't like something, you have to work harder to score well in it. And
Mm.
physics made that wasn't an issue for me. I could just do physics and I'd enjoy doing it. Chemistry is not like that. I'm trying to make it like that. I enjoy doing chemistry because that's what you're gonna have to do, Abhi. So there's a lot of confusion regarding like what my interests, like what field my interest fall into, if I can box it in. So yeah, I have to pick a niche now. and
Because clean energy is more chemistry than physics, right?
it's both in a sense. Like clean energy, if you think about the transistor, which is a form of energy that is derived by taking in particle physics.
Yeah.
That's one thing. But then if you think about your LPUs, that comes under chemistry. So a lot of confusion.
Chemistry and physics in itself are very handy.
Mm.
So now I can see two future scientists. बढ़ता जा रहा scientist यहाँ पे and a future artist.
Yay!
Great.
Oh, can we talk about exams? Because I have something to share with
Yeah,
exams.
please do it. Go ahead.
I don't hate exams. I know a lot of people hate it, but then I understand why it's kept, right? Because they want to test you on your knowledge, right? Even if your knowledge isn't that good. But I feel like if it wasn't as put into like stress and stuff, because I think a lot of people have the tendency to think exams, results, results, results. And then there's also a tendency of people, because of all of that, there's few people who are like, no, not at all. I don't want to get into that, so I'm not going to study at all. I think it's mostly the stress regarding exams.
Pressure that
Yeah,
are put on,
the
which is not
pressure
yes.
The
is
pressure
the main
is
part.
external. I feel like if children are allowed to study what they want to study
Yeah.
and then give exams based on that, they would do that very nicely.
That's fun.
But if you're cutting off that, like me, for example, I don't like SST. If you tell me to study SST, then give an exam,
Yeah.
and then my future depends on that. So, I mean, I'm not gonna do anything in SST now. So,
Exactly.
Right.
that's kind of pointless.
So what's the
like-
solution for it? What's the solution? What is the solution? You shouldn't put everybody in under one syllabus.
No, I mean, I know that some syllabuses try to do that.
You
right?
shouldn't
They-
make exams such a huge thing, I think. Because in itself, they are just tests to see if you're good on knowledge. I feel like an oral test would be more fun and just spontaneous. And because in the classroom, if you're learning actively and then you get oral tests, it'll be more engaging, right? I don't think there's a full need for like exams. It makes sense because it is also a measure for your future to see how qualified a person is, which I understand why boards are there. But then I get why exams are also there. The system in itself, I feel, is okay because it is the best that we can do because of there's so many factors. But then I think that the only thing we can fix is the stress regarding the exams, right? Because I love learning, but I didn't realize I loved learning until I took a step back and realized that all I was focusing on was exams. And it felt like I was giving the test of my life every single time. And
It's a rat
because of-
race.
That's what.
It's a rat race.
It's a rat race in general. Like,
Okay.
a lot of people say that the coaching systems and all of that is a rat race.
Yeah.
I mean, I was in a coaching center for a while, from 7th grade to 9th grade. So, like, I know our kid becomes time monthly tests, and those tests are also everything. Like, you have to do well on this test, and based on that, we classify into classes, which is also a very bad system. When you think about it, because I mean, like, I did it based on proficiency, but imagine students in the lower classes, how they would feel, and then students in the higher classes.
So I get it. So अब हम लोग ये कह रहे हो कि अगर प्रेशर हटा दो बच्चों से, they'll perform much better.
Yeah.
Don't you think that if pressure हटा दो यार बच्चे who can't perform, like they need certain bit of pressure, they need मम्मी का चिल्लाना also, that sit and read these things. Maybe you don't give me like don't 90% मत लेके आओ, 50% लेके आओ, 60% लेके आओ, लेकिन वो बच्चे पढ़ना ही नहीं चाहते. There are kids like that. Do you know certain friends who doesn't want to study?
I think these people, everyone is proficient in something. Ki sometimes, you're better at, like, for all of us is good at different things. But I know what CBSE has the NIR system, which is for sports, like, interested kids. They want to do
ICSE also
sports.
has an NIOS system.
So-
NIOS is a board.
NIS is board.
It's a board. It's a separate board. Yeah.
But you can do that, and they significantly remove the stress of rudimentary learning, so you can focus on sports. So that's one good thing. I think those type of systems should be everywhere. That you
It's
are allowed
open
to
school
focus.
as well.
Open school.
Like you don't have to come to school. Attendance isn't mandatory for that. But it's exams, but then throughout you don't have to come. And there's multiple different subjects. Yeah.
Oops.
It's
Oh.
it's an open schooling. So
But sometimes it's regarded as lower. Like I've
sometimes
seen
it's
some
regarded
people-
as
A social
people
mentality,
assume
na?
But
That's
it's-
what you're talking against.
It's not
Like-
lower though. Some people say it's a lot harder actually. It is a board. Like it's a board. But it's not, I wouldn't say it's harder nor is it easier. It's just another board. It's like saying that CBSE and state board, like CBSE is harder than
That's a
state board.
competition everybody does.
That's what.
CBSE
But then
versus
in
state board.
itself, the different boards focus on different things, right? It's weird to compare all of them because one person will excel at a different thing. Like ICSE, I've heard, is more memorization based, and CBSE is more application based, right? It's going to be harder for people who do application based to be in CBSE. Sorry, to be in ICSE rather than CBSE. But then in ICSE, people who are more appliance based would find it harder to be in ICSE than CBSE. So it just depends on the person. I don't think there's a specific one board is
also-
harder.
Yeah, I support that point. I mean, I'm switching boards because
IB is
CBSE to
research-based.
IB. IB is a board that's more research based. It's for international focus, without borders, no borders to learning, etc. Very, you can collaborate with people, and I find I'm that type of person. So I decided to switch to IB, and I'll see how that goes.
It's more project based.
Definitely,
Yeah.
our final project is a huge thing. It's extended essays and theory.
It's
of
good to know that at this age you guys have a lot of clarity.
Oh, what do you think?
I'm not अभी मैं school inclined इतना नहीं हूँ. I just wanna get through it. I'm more focused on getting into college because I'm more excited for that, because I can finally focus on drawing and like fashion. I'm trying to get into NIFT.
Okay.
So I'm more, yeah, I mean, obviously 11th and 12th I have to pass अच्छे से and all, but I think I'm a little more excited for
So you like you have
college.
clarity that मुझे वहाँ पे जाना है and you're
हाँ.
looking up to
I
it.
have more clarity on that.
Okay.
थोड़ा सा.
Okay. But school is not providing any support or help for that or any ground for that.
There are electives, I mean, like optional subjects and stuff. And there are extracurriculars that I might want to take up future mein to try and help getting into my favorite college. So yeah.
Those are not focus based. Like those are optional.
हाँ, exactly.
उतना
वही.
ध्यान नहीं देता.
हाँ.
Okay. I wish जल्दी जल्दी college जाओ तुम.
हाँ.
You're gonna actually start
Just
studying.
exactly. No, I am studying obviously.
Yeah, I'm sure you are.
Okay. I am studying, but I wanna do what I wanna do basically.
Of course.
Hmm.
Good. And what do you wanna do? Future? सोचा?
So I'm not clarified on college, but definitely it's on the basis of research and innovation, because the field that I'm into, it's a very new field, sustainability, and it helps the earth a lot. Energy basis myth, there's a lot of corruption, hoarding, there is depletion of resources. I mean, we all learn about that, but it's way more real to the planet than it is to us. So it's harder to not focus on but I'm glad I get to do all of these things. Actually, studying in science, if I can help or give back to the community in any way, that's one of the main reasons. Again, people think science is all memorization and everything, but that's also a hoax. Science is about innovation. That's the main thing about science. So.
It's very applying.
Yeah.
Applying. What is it called? Apply. Application based.
Yeah, you said it yourself.
I forgot.
Yeah.
Sorry.
What's your future goal?
I'm trying to become an astrophysicist. I don't exactly know what I'm going to do. I know it's definitely in physics, which I've already said, but it's either astrophysicist or I might become a particle physicist. Because I think particles really fascinate me, of course, because they're point objects.
Particles you're talking about like atoms or what
There's smaller particles in atoms. I meant like electrons and stuff.
electrons,
Yeah, electrons, quarks,
quarks.
stuff like that.
Okay. Which physics cover that? What's the name of that?
Particle physics, right?
It's
Yes.
called particle physics.
Particle
Yeah.
physics. Okay.
Quantum
Quantum physics.
Quantum,
right?
yeah, quantum physics, essentially.
Oh wow.
particle physics, quantum physics is like interchangeable, but quantum physics focuses more on what makes an atom. Like you've heard about recently, there's the discovery of quarks and other
Quarks, down quarks.
smaller than
Yeah,
atom. So
right.
that's
Yeah.
really interesting. It's a relatively new field.
Right. Yeah. It's not new actually, but it's very क्या बोलेंगे trend setting, trend changing field. Like quantum physics are really challenge the normal behave जो हम लोग physics पढ़े हैं न्यूटन का या
That's classical.
because
classical
They're
physics.
trying to
right?
unite
So,
them too.
हाँ.
They're trying to
Everything
make
you
a-
learn new about physics is definitely breaking some other law that was put into place. I think, or it's completing it.
Some people don't like this volatility. It's really fun.
I really like it.
Yeah.
I think it's really
We
interesting.
conservative people, but it's good. Science should challenge each other, right? That is how they grow. Otherwise, हाँ आर्टिस्ट ही हो रही है कि ये लोग क्या बात कर रहे हैं क्वांटम
We
फिजिक्स
should stop.
We should stop.
अच्छा ठीक है लेट्स कमिंग बैक टू फैमिली अब ओके सो मॉम कौन कौन है तुम्हारी फैमिली में लेट्स स्टार्ट विद या
So I have a younger sister, and my mom and dad, dad's side, grandpa and grandma, they live
You have
together.
टुगेदर ओके
Joint house.
स्मॉलर सिस्टर
Mm.
एंड ओके दादा दादी मॉम डैड व्हाट अबाउट यू
I have mummy, papa, older brother.
so okay 4 members
Just my mother and my father.
no siblings
No siblings. I'm an only child.
Okay. So, how the role of parents I want to talk like start with you. Like the role of your mother in life, the importance of having her. Do you feel about it? Do you have acknowledgement about it? The mother.
I'd say the ethics I practice or anything I think about, I'd say because I'm interested in science, they put me in a coaching center. Anything I wanted to do, they've been always supportive. So I think that's one main thing you should be able to think about, like always,
Sorry.
always focus on how your
Sorry.
kid wants to grow and then help them grow in that direction.
Well, that's a generic answer. I'm saying that you, तुम्हारी मम्मी को, what's her role in you growing up until now?
She has
Or importance of her in your life.
she has taught me how to give exams. Let's say she has been very academic focused all my life, and so she always laid a ground rule that when you studying is the basis of everything. When you want to grow, you study. When you want to learn, you study. That's studying is all you can do, and that's all you should be. So that's one thing she said, and it's I mean, some people disagree. You can do other things, but again, I'm in science, so learning,
Do
studying.
you enjoy that?
I do. Okay, depends on what. So, like, let's say
That's another kind of pressure.
like if I have to study something I don't like okay, I said I like science, but I don't like some parts of science. Right? Like if I say I don't like bio that much, and that's why I'm not talking about bio. It's
Same.
but like I have to do that anyways. So also I have to study cell, human system. I don't like to study
Plant
plant.
cells are so hard.
People are so selective about study यार. वो पढ़ना यही है. How can somebody has so much clarity at this age? मतलब
It's
इतना
not about clarity. Matlab, I see. It's about labels. So I don't know. Again, I told you that I'm into energy. So that is so many things. But you need like a general field. Again, people say I'm very like I don't think I have clarity at all. I'd say she has clarity. I think
Yeah.
you have clarity.
Devani definitely has the most clarity out of
Amongst
all of us.
yes.
Yeah.
Devani,
No.
what about your mother? What's her importance in life, in your life?
She's been supportive of everything I do. Because whenever I tell people that मुझे fashion में जाना है, I want to do this, they're like, your mother allows you? I'm like, yeah. Because lots of parents are like, नहीं यही करना है, I'm gonna make a future and you have to follow this. And my mom, she's just like, she gave me choice. So that's one thing.
That's the best thing.
Yes.
तो that's ये तो academics हो गया.
हाँ.
और personal life में
Otherwise,
do you remember anything that makes you feel that I'm very special because I have this my mom? Do
okay.
you remember anything like that?
Yes. So when I was like 4 or 5 years old, I think I had a fracture. I had a wrist fracture. I fell down. I was with my nanny and I fell down and I broke my hand. And then Mama was on at work. And then when she came back, she saw me and she immediately like, मतलब, and इतना even I didn't care. I thought होगा.
Emotional हो गया.
I'll be okay. इतना तो I wasn't even expecting a fracture. And then she saw me, but मैं उठ ही नहीं रही थी. So she like, वो रोने लगी and stuff. And I'm like, क्या हुआ क्या? Like I'm so lost. And then, yeah, so she took me to the hospital and वो पूरे time she was like, I mean, obviously I like to skate. She was so strict. She's like, no skating, you can't do anything, you can't do this. So then I was like, अरे यार, but अभी समझ आता है कि, you know, she actually really cared.
This is 11 years.
This is much, yes.
11 years back, right?
Yes.
You still remember this?
हाँ, कुछ
वो यही
like-
दिमाग में यही आया तुम्हारे
Yeah, because she's told me also
Okay.
a lot of times. Yes.
Whoa.
Hmm.
That's big.
11 years.
Yes.
Wow,
Wow, that's a while.
that's so wild.
Yes.
So what about you?
I like my parents a lot.
Okay.
My parents actually have tried to push me not to take science because they said that you have the option of taking, they have the option of taking arts and stuff. And they were more supportive for like everything I do, I would say, like similar to your parents only. I feel like with my father especially, he used to teach me science and maths, right? And he used to make me understand everything when I was younger. And I think that's what made me feel more inclined to take science. Because for me, science was always more of an understanding topic, and I'm very bad at memorization. So I've always preferred science over everything else, even if I've somehow managed to score better in other subjects. But I really like understanding things, and I think it's my dad who also helped me with that. And my mother has been very cool actually with whatever I do. I've never always been so clear as like I want to do science, I want to do this. But my parents give me the choice to anything basically. At one point I really liked art, and so they were like, you want to be an artist? Okay, and then they put me for art classes.
Okay.
So it was pretty open actually. But I think in that space, I kind of got that I would prefer something more science based because I really like science. There was a point where I really liked law as well, which of course law is very interesting, and the political system is pretty interesting, which I think people our age should definitely get more into.
Definitely.
Definitely, there's a lot less people who are politically involved at our age, which makes sense for now because we are not exactly 18 yet. So leave it for when it happens,
Yeah.
right? What was this topic about? Yes, law. And so my parents were always happy with that. With every switch I made, they were like, yes, we can do
Supported
this.
you.
Yes. So I think that was a huge thing that really helped me figure out where I want to.
Let me flip the question. Let me make things difficult for you.
Yes.
What do you don't like about your parent?
What I don't like about my parents.
फंस गई है आप.
Oh.
No, I have to really think.
I mean, we all do. Like, when you think of parents,
No,
you
let's
don't
be open
immediately
about it.
think of
Like,
hate.
yeah, so there's one. Okay, tell me the most irritating thing about your parents. Like, no, mom, stop doing this. Yeah, stop.
I have to really.
I can name
No,
them.
I have to really think.
We can name
because-
for each other.
Yeah,
I'd say.
yeah, exactly.
Acha, bro, I'll give you
Tell
that
me,
chance.
guys.
I'll give you that chance. Well, let's talk about parents first. It has to be constructive. I'm not saying
Ah, yes, yes.
talk against it, but
No, but I have to really think. I don't.
so you don't.
When I think of my parents, I don't think of like bad.
That's amazing, yeah. That's amazing. No, that's then you have really have good parents.
I love my parents a lot.
Ah,
One thing I would say is I've always had a freedom in my choices, but I've not really had much freedom over everything else. I have a lot more freedom compared to other people, which I'm really grateful for. But I feel like us as teenagers get boxed into this really tiny box where people are just like, you're not supposed to do this, but you're also supposed to do this, but you're not supposed to do this. So I feel like that's a huge thing. Huh?
example.
I don't know, actually.
Bro.
Like, what I know about myself, suppose I'm sad, I would know why I'm sad or what I'm sad about. If my parents tell me exactly what I'm sad about, it's probably not that. But then I feel like because we in itself can't really describe what it is, it makes it seem like we're just.
Are you talking about space
imagining.
issue?
Huh?
Are you talking about
I mean,
space?
Not really.
Do you get space at home?
Yeah, I'm an only child. I have a lot of space. No, but I feel like a lot of times parents just choose to like box kids into like what they
More
are.
protective about you sometimes. Isn't that reasonable also sometimes like these days?
It is reasonable sometimes, definitely.
I don't think she's
But
talking
I
about
feel
that,
like
though.
that's what
What she's
I was
saying is,
talking to something.
like, they're trying to predict our behavior.
Yeah,
Exactly.
Like,
that's
saying
what-
if she feels bad. And they're trying to guess why she's feeling bad instead of letting her talk.
yeah.
Okay.
I feel like parents in general try to explain for you rather than
They think that they know much better
Yeah.
yeah.
you than you.
Yes.
That is true. I won't say that the adults don't know more. We're kids. We understand.
Because
But
parents, I feel like they definitely do know more. But I feel like we would know at that moment what we're feeling better than our parents. Which I think is something that I think they need to get.
So you want them to just for that moment just
Just let us be.
let us be. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay. What about you?
There.
Well, say something to her. Like what you don't like about her.
make eye contact.
No, you don't have to make eye contact. No, don't make eye contact. Talk to me. Just let her
She's,
listen. This is your chance.
Wait, I'm thinking. I don't know
This
exactly.
is your chance.
She's thoda sa naggy sometimes. She taunts a lot. कि ये भी करो, and then ये भी करो, and then कपड़े fold करो, keep your shoes inside, keep doing this. And if I do something really big, let's say if I did some really big mistake that I'm not supposed to be doing at this age, she was like, 2 दिन के बाद she was like, नहीं करना है अभी. And I'm like, okay, fine. But if I didn't keep my shoes inside, she's like, "What's wrong with you?" What is
Yeah, I feel you.
Yeah. What is wrong with you?
छोटे छोटे बात को लेकर
Wait. And I'm like, "Arey, there are kids outside doing things they are not supposed to be doing, and you are telling me that मैंने जूते नहीं रखे अंदर." Which, wait, it's थोड़ा सा मैं.
Okay, got it. What about you?
Um,
Do you want us to speak for you?
Yeah.
Don't
No,
touch
we can do it.
politically correct.
no, I'm thinking about like.
Our parents are watching this, by the way.
Yeah.
That's it. That this is for them. This is your chance to tell
I'm
them.
trying to be nice.
They are your parents. You be
Uh-huh,
frank.
So, I'd say my mom thinks of routines very specifically. That if I want to do something that's outside of what I'm supposed to do, let's say boards ke samay, to she barely let me go out of the house. Ki if you have to study now. This is the only time you can prove yourself. Like this is the moment, so you have to study and like excel at this. I'm like, okay, fine, that's fair, but also I don't want to do all that. So, I think about routines specifically, sometimes it benefits people, right? Like I'd say I credit most of the hobbies I have to her, that she put me in different hobbies to try things and stuff. But like when she becomes like excessive about it, like you have to do this, you have to do that, like,
It gets a little much.
No.
and
Pressure ज़्यादा देती हैं.
the pressure and
Is it about mom or dad? Or both?
I'd say both. I mean, my dad isn't like, he doesn't give as much pressure, but same thing. Another thing is that like sometimes I think what they experience as a kid influences what like they tell us now.
That's
Like,
the problem.
They were like, we did this, so you should do this. But I'm not even in the same board. as them.
Right.
Like my dad was in state board. My dad was in ICC. My mom was in state board. I'm in CBSE. That's completely different. I have different things to do, but they wouldn't know that. And when she was a kid, she said all I used to do was go to tuition. I really cannot do that right now, because if I do that, it like lowers my chance of going to college, because colleges now look at extracurriculars and they look at what you do outside of school. But in that time, it was just grades. So, like, they'll not understand that I have to go out and do other things apart from grades to, establish myself and even attend college.
Wow. I think everybody's listening.
Nice.
Good one. I'm so happy that you all speaking, from your heart and talking about it. तुम्हारी तो मम्मी बैठी है.
I love you, mother.
Yeah, but this is you.
Truly, parents, no offense.
No. I mean, yeah. This is a collaboration. I mean, is parenting is also a friendship collaboration. सब साथ में मिलकर बैठ के बात करे, काम करे, तो things get better. Okay. सीरियस टॉपिक हो गया, अभी फन टॉपिक.
Yay.
Okay. सबसे ज्यादा मिरर के सामने कौन टाइम स्पेंड करता? ओके, राइट. कितना टाइम तुमने लगाया यहाँ आने से पहले?
बहुत time.
Nay, I mean,
Too much time.
they told me specifically don't do too much.
Every time we go somewhere, she's like always getting excessive makeup, doing her hair. I'm like, guys, my hair doesn't look good. And then we had to tell her कि कुछ नहीं. And when she came to my house also, she's like, do you think I should do this? Can you give me this? Can you give me powder? Can you give me mascara? I'm like, bro, you don't need anything.
And every time we hang out, always we ask her to come at 6 o'clock. She comes at 7:30.
Yes. Like,
That's
that's an exaggeration.
Multiple
That's
things,
multiple
which is-
things.
बहुत सारे
Like,
allegations.
we have to go out, and we're like, bro, we need to leave like right now. And she's like, we're like, I'm coming. I'm like down only.
almost there.
And then she shows up half an hour later.
And
No, okay, it's not that bad. This time they told me to come at 3:30. I came at 3:30.
No, you didn't.
No,
I
you
came
came
at
at 3.
Neither did she, bro.
No,
You came at
we
like
were on the
you
on the
came
road
at like 4.
Fine.
And every time, I forgot what I was going to say. actually.
Okay, good you forgot. अच्छा, अब my question is, I know the looks are important for you. इनके टॉपिक से मतलब इनके कॉन्वर्सेशन समझ में आया. What about you? How much looking well?
Not really. Matlab, I'm interested in fashion, obviously, but I don't care utna abhi. Like, I always brush my hair. Thode, when I go out, I wear better clothes. But
You don't focus much on it.
average. Yes.
That's difficult to say. I would say me as a person, I don't really do that much. But I still like to look good.
Exactly.
Right.
Same.
Yeah.
Way. Same.
So-
Visual excess.
do you guys love?
Okay, they all think that. Right. They all think that.
It's okay.
They're not
it's okay.
expressing, huh?
They all think that. It's
So-
not. It's not that much. Truly. Like just because I like makeup, there's a huge notion that all she does is looks like. No,
No.
it really isn't. And
We know you're more than that.
you know.
Yeah.
We love you, Reina.
You're more than just the makeup on you.
You're
But you love doing makeup.
She does.
So okay, do you guys like attention?
I'm really bad at attention.
No, hell no.
Oh, attention.
No,
Wait, attention.
attention like from everywhere, from guys like कहीं जा रहे हो तो in the mind that everyone should look at me.
Ew.
I'm the one.
No.
You shut up.
Okay. I think
भाई तू इतना मेकअप इतना मेहनत क्यों?
for me.
For yourself, oh wow,
Yes,
that's a lovely answer.
That's
I
what
lo-
I'm saying. Look, makeup, like people think it's to present yourself on the outside. They don't know how much work it takes to learn how to do like what you do. I think it enhances the human features, right? And that's what is so beautiful. Okay, you can use eyeliner and like make your eyes pop. You can use blush, etc., etc. That's really pretty. And painting in general is also something like that. So it's a form of art again. But
Yeah.
like I don't. It's not necessary for other people to see it. I would prefer if nobody could see the makeup I have on, but
Wow.
that's on.
So you don't like to be appreciated?
No, I mean,
What have you done?
I'd say when I do it myself, I'll take a picture, but it'll be in my gallery. Nobody will actually see.
You don't want to be validated about it.
Validation in the sense, like, I wish I could post it online and, like, I'd have people tell me what I can do better for my looks and other things. But in general, I'd say I just do it, like, in a form of art, you know? Like if I could post, you know how people post drawings?
Yeah.
I could do that, but there's a whole other notation with makeup that, oh, she's doing it for attention again.
Yeah.
And no, that's not it.
So nobody's like that, like reel and selfie
Nah.
and five.
You-
Okay,
No.
that's why you guys are together.
Fair. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, Reina's lying. She does it for me. Makeup.
Oh, really? You think
You
so?
love me. You love me too. You-
Cut.
Okay.
Whoops.
Well, do you guys get attention from boys?
Not,
If I do, I can't tell.
no, we really. I wouldn't say.
I
so.
mean-
I'm talking about sometime unwanted attention also.
I have
Uh,
before.
Mm.
बहुत पहले. I hated it.
Have you learned how to handle these
Yes,
things?
yes.
So let me put you in a difficult situation, but it's very important. Let's say you get somebody, there's a guy anywhere, let's say in the market में जा रहे हो और उसने कुछ ऐसा बोल दिया which is uncomfortable, teased you, and what will you do? One by one, तुम बताओ क्या करोगे?
Well, it depends. Do we know the truth?
But you don't know, it's a stranger.
I also think it's better if I call my friends. You have a support system and stuff.
Yeah.
Me.
Yeah, she calls me.
No, you call. Okay, look, we all rely on each other equally.
Oh, no, no.
The first person was called her, then
We have a group. I'll
right.
call her.
So the guy just commenting is not doing anything. Okay, this the clarity.
I mean, first of all, you shouldn't pay attention to these things because you're validating them.
Right.
We're validating them. Like, that shouldn't mean anything to you. You'll be back. It's just that.
बकने दो. So you're gonna ignore the best thing you.
Yes.
Okay.
You shouldn't validate these things at all.
Oh, yeah.
Don't pay them the attention they want.
Okay. Do you agree?
100%.
Yeah. Just ignore the whatever.
Definitely what she said.
Okay. If he crosses the boundary, if he
Uh,
comes and tries to touch you,
Beat him up.
what?
Beat him up.
Beat him up.
Yes.
Beat him.
वो 6 फुट का है लंबा तगड़ा.
अरे तो
We can still.
I'm 171 centimeters taller than most guys I know. I'm 6 foot.
she's not 6 foot.
I want to be.
Almost 6 foot.
I want to be 6 feet tall.
We'll call Reina. We'll get Reina here. She'll beat up anyone. Such a cool person.
think
It would be easier for her to beat people up.
Yeah.
I play
that's
kabaddi.
fine.
But we
You are the
can
public
all
Play kabaddi.
Okay.
It doesn't matter. Let him see. I take. Look at the dude. Look at him.
You're gonna
Look
hit.
at what he did.
People definitely have to be shamed.
You're gonna hit back. You're gonna hit back. मारो इसको पकड़ के.
So I think in the moment most people like wouldn't try, but it's like
Yeah,
really
obviously.
important that like
You do.
Yeah,
You
obviously.
should fight
shouldn't be
back.
shamed.
I mean, then if it actually happens, then we'll be like, oh shit. But then, obviously, you should know how to. So like, just push him and kuch bhi karo. but you have to fight back.
It can be difficult because people are sometimes really shocked. But then you have to find a way to somehow make yourself aware and like fight back. Yes.
I think the mentality towards these things have shifted though. 'Cause
It's definitely
before-
shifted over the times.
Yeah, before it was like, oh no, you shouldn't draw attention to these things, you shouldn't talk about them. But now it's like the audacity. Why would you do that?
Record.
You definitely should draw attention to
Recording. This.
Look at this recording.
Get this face, like look at his face. You can. What did he look like? Warn people.
Hmm.
Yeah.
पेरेंट्स को कॉल कब करोगे? अगले दिन?
बाद में, when we get home, like, guess what happened?
अच्छी स्टोरी सुनाओगे?
हाँ.
Okay.
So you have to handle it in such a way that, you know, you can tell it as a story. I had हुआ, but I took charge of it. I
Okay.
took,
Okay.
yeah.
So these things are all your parents will be listening. Maybe this is one thing they should be after this podcast talking to you and how to handle situation in a more better way. There are better ways also. Okay. That is why I asked this question. These are very practical situations.
I mean, I don't know if it's talked about that much. Like,
Yeah.
But-
Every parent should talk about it.
they should.
Now you people are that age group that you should come and talk to parents. ऐसा कभी हुआ तो क्या करेंगे? What should I do?
I feel like definitely if we're in trouble, our first thing would be to call our parents.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
I
in
would
Thailand,
be the
that's
first thought.
If it's like funny, if it's nothing that's really, really bad happening, I would definitely call both of them and tell them about what happened. But if it's something that happens, like all seriousness, if anything bad that happens, I will definitely call my parents. Because I know that they are older than me, they have more experience, so they should handle it. They should be able to handle it better than I can. And they're also external, right? Because when you're in the moment, sometimes you don't realize what's happening. But then any external not validation, but anyone from like an outside point of view, even better if it's someone who knows more, such as your parents, would be great to like call or like seek help from. So like definitely go to your parents.
Yeah, that's a good thing to do. First line of defense is parent. Phone करो.
What do you think?
Yeah.
और
Yeah.
Yeah.
right.
I mean, I think a lot of people have like SOS emergency contact on the phone. You wouldn't see them being my emergency contact because again, we're kids. And that like parents are supposed to be the adults you can reach out to.
Parents are definitely the emergency contact.
So have you got okay, let's not talk about it. Okay. Foodie कौन है इसमें? खाना, who loves food?
We
ये
Kind of.
Me, I think
So
the
you're not much
most
last
people
one.
would be her and
You,
then me.
me.
and-
Yeah.
अच्छा क्या खाते हो? मतलब क्या पसंद है ऐसा? Why do you call yourself foodie? First explain that.
I think ask them.
When we hang out,
She eats too much.
You could have.
when we all hang out, mostly it's either we buy snacks and then hang out, or we hang out and then we realize we need snacks. So
And
go
then
buy
we
them.
get snacks. Yes.
So
Yeah.
like me the most every time I go on guys I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Girl, can we stop by Ayoka?
Guys,
There's a shop in our
Ayoka is a shop,
apartment.
yeah.
Okay.
I need food.
Guys, I
I
need
forgot
chips.
people don't know what Ayoka is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
I forgot that people don't know what Ayoka is.
Some outright sometimes we say Ayoka. And
Yeah.
we're like, oh wait, Ayoka
Because
is a shop in
Ayoka
our
is a,
apartment.
like, yeah, it's a shop.
In
We
our
have a lot of shops in our apartment.
Yeah.
Sometimes we auto locate there. Like we're walking, we just
We're like, we get our money. Wait, why are we walking? We're just walking and then we enter the shop and we're like, guys, why are we here?
no, we need to like go.
And then
Or
we just
sometimes we just stay and we get something then we go. Yeah.
Like, chalo, we're here, so.
Yeah.
तुम इतना खाते मुझे मतलब दिखता नहीं है. Like you don't look like foodie. Judgmental thing, but that's true. Like
Viviani, you're such a skinny baddie.
alright, now you are crossing the board. Okay, never mind. कुछ नहीं बोला मैंने. हाँ? ये वाला पार्ट कट कर देंगे.
Okay, it's okay.
ठीक है. Anybody loves traveling? Traveling किसको पसंद है? You don't love traveling?
Put your hand.
Good at. No, I do it a lot, but I don't like flights.
I don't like flights, but I like going to new places. The views. The view and like seeing how things work there. Everything.
What's your best travel experience?
Bali.
Bali. What did you like?
It was a different because it was my first international trip. So different environment tha. Completely different. And the views, the
अलग लोग
beaches.
दिख रहे हैं, अलग खाना है, अलग ही दुनिया है.
अलग खाना Oh, so good.
This is why she
I
was
miss
really-
the khana. I mean, I miss वहाँ पे views, the waterfalls, and things were much cleaner. Obviously, the roads were different. The whole place was much more different. And I saw a lot of we went to these craft shops and वहाँ पे handmade चीजें बना रहे थे वहाँ पे. They were painting using like spray paints and all of that.
It's a
stuff.
very artistic kind of
Yes,
place
right,
and very
exactly.
free. You feel free. Do you feel free when you travel? Like you feel like
Yes.
your mind is more free. The
हाँ.
artist mind is more free, and
Yes.
there's
I
more
like
to
to like
explore.
do मुझे होटल में बैठना नहीं अच्छा लगता. I like it sometimes when I'm tired, but mostly I want to go and see everything. जहाँ भी जा सकते हो जाओ.
I can see a future explorer.
Yeah.
We know that. Like, we
But-
know she's
yeah.
going to travel. Actually, it's a shame she isn't going to an international college, but I'm kind of set
I
on it.
want
She
to do
also wants to.
masters outside
Yeah.
very badly.
But both of us have a opportunity to go abroad, like for undergrad too. And we told her like you should come visit us because I think she'll make more use of the place than us. So that's something.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I really like international flights. No, that's
You don't like
rude.
flights.
I don't like flights at all. But then international flights at night are so fun because at night you can see all of the stars from up. It's not very easy
I
because
hate flights.
oh yeah, I hate flights. I really am
They're
scared.
so-
Like one thing I'm scared of is flights.
I'm
Definitely.
not scared of flights. It's just the
Boring.
AC. It's boring. It feels claustrophobic. मुझे
not
बैठना.
space. इतनी देर बैठे रहो कुछ
I used to like window seats, but मुझे window. I don't care about looking outside. मुझे बाहर ही बैठना because थोड़ा free रहता है.
I really care about
मुझे
I care about looking
claustrophobia
outside too.
लगता है.
No, see, it's
यार तुम्हें स्टार्स इंडियन फ्लाइट्स में नहीं दिखते रात को
nay, see, because international flights are much higher. You can barely see the clouds at all when you go high enough, right? And so I know a lot of people don't really look outside, but if you look outside and if you really try to see, then you can spot there's so many stars,
yeah.
and it looks
That's so
so
lovely.
cool.
Yeah,
It looks so amazing.
एस्ट्रोनॉट
Exactly. Yes.
सब अपने अपनी बात में ना वो लेके आए रहे कि मैं क्या बनने वाली हूँ लव फॉर स्टार्स
But everything that we do is a culmination into what we're going to be.
yeah true
So
this
yeah.
is how we
Holy
manifest
philosophical.
so philosophy
She's locked into it.
Unlocked in.
She never talks as much. She's always
No.
just like lost. She's like, guys, do you think ghosts are real?
I don't think
Guys,
ghosts are
she's
real.
never this
Would I
intellectual.
look better if I wore?
Guys, I am intellectual. Just half of the time I'm thinking about something else.
The intellect is gone. Like you bring
What
it
do
out
you
for
mean?
very, very special events.
Exactly.
No, guys, I just don't focus on you. Peace
You
out.
gotta go.
okay I'm also here मुझे मत बोलो anyways
Sorry.
what about your dream destination
Europe. Europe is very pretty. I love Europe
yeah.
a lot. And I went there once. I mean, I went once with my parents and then once on my own accord, like with my, for a program. And
Geneva.
yeah, Geneva. So like we went with teachers as a student delegation for the Active Impact Summit last year. And
It came in the newspaper.
yeah, it came in Times of India. No pictures though. They just wrote 11 students from
sad.
Delhi Public School.
that's so sad
Who is 11?
For the
We are
Geneva
11.
Convention, she went. She's a
and
cool.
somebody said I don't like attention
This type of attention is necessary. Like 11 students from my big school.
Newspaper.
11 students from my big school. Who is the 11? We are the 11.
Yes, you are the 11.
No,
आएंगे।
we.
ऐसे बहुत फोटोज आएंगे तुम्हारे टेंशन मत लो just wait for the right time
In the podcast.
So then,
everywhere it was
so when I went there with my parents, obviously had more scenic views. For this one, we went obviously for academic purposes, so we had a lot more of those views. But that was also really fun because we got to go to the UN office, and our speech was there too.
I'm so jealous.
You can sign up for it this year.
I wanna
Oh,
go to
really?
Europe so bad.
Yeah, but Europe, like in general, is a very pretty place. And रात को they had the yellow lights. Thank you like that. The yellow lights of Europe.
इसको अभी जाना है यूरोप
And the food there. Oh, everything closes by 8. That's a small problem, but like the
वो
food there.
वो एक जगह है ना नॉर्वे लाइट कौन सा लाइट बोलते हैं वो नॉर्वे में
Northern Lights?
Northern
The
Lights.
Aurora Borealis.
और तुम्हारा भी
My
ड्रीम तुम लोग का भी है कि
dream. It's my dream. I
We
have
all
to
travel
see
somewhere
this.
together. That's pretty much it.
It's
Okay.
on top
Yes.
of my bucket list. मुझे देखना है.
वन प्लस इफ से तुम लोग तीनों को जाने का मौका मिलता है चूज अ प्लेस कहाँ किधर जाओ
Any place, I'm not very good at choosing a place.
I think she'll choose for us.
Brazil.
ब्राजील
Rio de
that's so
together.
wild
Together?
Yes.
Brazil.
Oh, fun.
It's not safe after 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. I've heard about it. I may be wrong.
जो भी है.
I have no idea.
Morning. It's
As
fine.
women of forces and experience, I've heard so much about the solo travelers, etc.
You want to do solo travel?
No.
I want to do solo.
I don't see the point of it, but
I travel with these guys, or I'll travel with my friend from school, Manha.
Okay, no solo.
Yeah.
She can also pick. I'll go anywhere she goes.
Okay.
yeah. She likes her more than us. Like, it's not fair. Oh my god.
I love the bonding and friendship. इतना प्यारा bond है ना तुम लोगों टीम में. एक दूसरे को हम सब कुछ जानते हैं, कुछ छुपा नहीं है. And it is boring also sometimes. Everything you know about each other.
No, that's why we can't play truth or dare anymore.
So now let me destroy this bonding. ठीक है?
Do it, guys.
I'm scared.
Can't
Girl,
be
नहीं.
your friend.
No, don't
You
hate.
tell you everybody has to एक बात बताना पड़ेगा एक बार में which you don't like.
Oh, easy.
Come here.
Which you want her to tell us. Change करना अभी के अभी बदलो इसको. Change.
हाँ, scene.
Come on, time.
Tell with
Sorry,
Renu.
yaar. Okay,
अच्छा,
start. Okay. So, Nivi, first of all, I'd like you to wear the clothes that you have in your closet.
Oh.
You wear 5 shirts. I disagree. You have more clothes than me, but you wear 5 shirts.
This is
on
Manha's
rotation.
shirt, by the way.
On
Not even my
rotation.
shirt.
On rotation.
Oh.
And Devyani, like lock in. When we ask you to come down, you're like, no, give me like 5 minutes. I was sleeping before.
And whenever we call her, she's like, guys, I was sleeping.
Let me sleep.
lazy है ना?
हाँ, बहुत.
And then I keep telling them, come down, let's take rounds, let's get air. No.
Let's
I-
see. Yeah, sometimes.
Okay.
I'm
Your
offended.
chance.
Okay, Reena, stop being late, dog. Stop. I'm not even joking. She's always late, and kabhi kabar I'm like sitting there for an hour. I'm like, bro, where are you? Bro, where are you?
Ours.
I'm on the way.
Yeah,
I'm
ours
on the way.
Ours
ours
little
are a
much.
little
It's an exaggeration.
No, see,
obviously.
too, obviously.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
At least.
Exactly, yeah.
Store.
You get your chance. Wait on.
Nivi hates me so he's like not even fair.
Right, literally. And it's so annoying. Like, genuinely. And she's a little high maintenance as well.
A little.
She's like, yeah, very high maintenance.
मैं कितने सालों से दबा के रखी है निकल कर दिल से बाहर नहीं रही.
I've told her to
No,
my
she
face
told
also.
me this 5 minutes ago. We now stop. We have to go record.
Yeah. They're like, can you... I was just telling her, bro, if you say one more thing about high... If you start being more high maintenance, I'll actually smack you. Like,
Okay.
Yeah.
Before she smacks you, चलो तुम.
I've smacked them, it's okay.
Yeah, how about it wasn't her?
I've smacked them.
I'm just a perfect human
So,
being.
Right.
that... And Nivi,
उसके बाद.
I'm just the perfect, guys. Nobody has anything bad to say.
she's very... मतलब वो कहीं भी हिलने लगती है. She's like... wherever...
इतना तो freedom दो यार इसको.
क्या नहीं freedom of speech. She's always singing. She's always like saying things she's not supposed to be saying at some places, and then she starts over explaining. I'm like, bro, chill. Not just about herself, but about us also sometimes.
Oh, really?
Like, bro.
Over express कर दे.
No, I forgot. I genuinely forgot.
We are not telling you that right now.
Oh, okay, fine. Fair enough. Huh? What happened?
I forgot. Like,
Oh,
yeah, there's something is also like every time. Well, she doesn't tell us important information. Like
I
her mother
forgot, guys.
is in the hospital, and when I'm like, but then this happened, she's like, guys, I forgot. Sorry.
I totally forgot.
No.
Let me tell you. I forgot you didn't know.
अच्छा मतलब you feel that जानबूझ के करते filters मतलब.
कभी कभी she's like, you're doing this purpose.
No, I promise I don't.
Okay. ठीक है बाद में तुम लोग explanation देना.
Yeah.
अभी now
Your
your
turn.
turn.
Okay, Devyani. Please lock in and calm down. Every time I ask her to do something or the other with me. Oh, you have to get more creative, no?
Yeah, lock in, Nivi.
You say I'm annoying too much.
Yes. Because you are.
It really hurts my feelings.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, and Reena, I have to be creative with this.
Let's see how creative you can get.
Why do you think that looking bad is the end of the world?
Look, it's not
No,
bad.
no clarification.
Reena, as friends, we love you. We don't care what you look like. But anytime you're washing your hair, guys, I'm washing my hair. I can't come today.
Exactly.
It's curly hair, guys.
Yesterday only, she's like, guys, I have to wash my hair today. I can't come down.
But her hair needs maintenance. Now look at this.
We can also be there if she needs maintenance.
Yes.
You're
she
not
can
gonna
just
be
not
there
sit
when I
in
wash
her
my
house
hair.
even if she's gone.
Yeah, like when I come out of the washer, sometimes they're just sitting there. I'm like, oh.
Yeah.
We did that at your house as
Yeah.
well.
Okay, you guys love each other.
Sometimes
So
we
you can
talk
fight
about
whole day, huh? रुको हो गया लड़ाई हो गई अभी this is our last section, okay? Do you guys anybody meditates?
No,
I try to.
I'm very
We
bad.
all went to yoga class once, like together.
Yes.
Oh, but
That's how we actually communicated properly. We met Nivi because of a yoga class.
No, bro, I met in your group.
No, no,
You
no.
started being friends with me
हाँ
because of yoga.
ठीक है कोई बात नहीं.
I got to know you because
अरे
of yoga.
I am also here, please.
Sorry,
ठीक है आपस में शुरू.
Bhaiya, do you do yoga?
हाँ I do. I love yoga, but I don't do it.
Nice. Oh, why?
I just love it.
Mama makes
I've
me
heard
sometimes.
about how you like can physically meditate and stuff, like close your eyes and think about your affirmations and what you want to do in the day.
Yeah.
I tried to do that once and didn't work out.
Didn't work out. You were thinking something else.
Then what were you leading
I couldn't think for that long. I just don't.
I couldn't think for that long. I feel like you're not supposed to think
I
for that
can't
long.
sit for that.
Long, right?
I can't sit for that long.
Again, okay, I feel like people on the internet might make this like the attention span of children is really less.
Is that true?
No, it's just us. It's just us.
No, it's not.
There's-
Okay, I'd say that comparatively, there's a study that like makes AI and like technology is making kids stupid. It is. It's because nobody really knows how to use it properly.
It depends case to case basis. It's
Yeah,
it's
like,
not a generic thing.
Some people put like what's 2 + 2 on ChatGPT. Like you did not need that. You can do
Yeah.
that yourself. But नहीं.
Okay, तुम लोग का जो जन्म हुआ है ना, that was the time when internet came into the world, like at least in India.
Definitely.
So you guys were born in a digital age. तुम लोग digital age era लेकर आए दुनिया में. तो do you remember first time mobile that? First time mobile तुम लोगों ने कब
Oh,
started using?
when I was in
Mobile as in like smartphone, yeah, and
Yeah, smartphone.
Oh, when we got our own smartphones.
Yeah,
Oh.
and started using it. Yeah,
I mean, I didn't
Using
use
it
it
properly, I think when
I'll base my answers on your answers, by the way.
I think 11, 12.
11, 12. Oh, that's pretty late. And मुझे लगा 4, 5. Your parents?
So I didn't have a phone of my own.
मैं देख रहा हूँ इतने छोटे छोटे बच्चे यार इतने छोटे छोटे ये टेबल के ऊपर के साइज का.
अरे बाप रे नहीं. हाँ नहीं, we see this. We're like, how is this?
No, I think recently it's like that, but my parents gave me a phone once
we
because like I
see-
would get stuck in a storm or
Right.
something.
We see kids smaller than us and using iPhones. We're like,
Yeah.
Yeah, they what without watching mobile they can't eat.
exactly.
That's not.
तुम लोग ऐसा नहीं
We
किए.
all got our phones around 11, 12
Yes.
age. We had our phone for how long? 4, 5 years now.
That's awesome.
My
Yeah.
first phone was
Parents.
like this Nokia.
Kudos. Good parenting.
Like
So, are you guys screen addicted?
I think it's a huge prejudice, actually. Actually, my bad. But no, it's a huge thing that people are. Okay, there's a very small percentage of people who are like addicted to their phones, and I feel because of that we all get generalized. Like I
Talking
don't.
about your age group.
Yes, our age group definitely. I know one person.
They're
Yeah.
always watching reels.
I know one person who consistently is addicted, who watches reels until like late at night. I don't do that. I like to read, which is I have a few things.
Read as in books.
Yes,
Books
she's the
and-
biggest reader.
I
among
yeah.
us.
I really like reading a lot of books.
Okay.
She has
So-
a whole library.
So your
Read a-
exposure to screen is for reading only, right?
Yeah, it's all for reading actually.
Mostly also I also like, use screen for schoolwork and stuff.
I
I only recently got Instagram.
हाँ नहीं.
So.
Yes, I
And
have
Instagram.
I do watch reels sometimes, obviously, but usually I like. I've started sketching more now. Like I'm always trying to find something new to draw, and usually when I am on my phone, I'm on this Pinterest to find more ideas to draw.
And I know
That's
quite
the only
a,
reason.
yeah, sorry. And I know quite a few people in my class at least have definitely said that I don't want to get Instagram now. I will get it after. Or like they have Instagram but they like switch it off on purpose by themselves.
Yes, same.
But I know a lot of
She used to
Why?
because obviously when you reels are obviously thoda sa addicting, and sometimes you find yourself always being on reels. So like, you know what, no, I don't want to do this because I have better things to do with my time. So you delete it, deactivate it for some time, maybe a week or two or a month-ish. Then once you feel like you've gained that, attention span back, then you can get it back again.
I feel like because we've grown up around technology and because people have consistently told us about the bad things about technology, I feel like people our age are more likely to at least see it within themselves that I am getting addicted and stop it. I'm not saying everyone, I'm saying few. Like there are few people who I know are addicted to their phones, but I'm saying that there's a very small percentage of people who are actively going into their phones at our age. And I think because of that small bit, and because I think as adults you got your phones at a much later age, it would affect everybody differently, right? And I think because of that, there's a huge thing that because we are on our phones earlier, we are now addicted. Those small kids are probably addicted because they've had so much screen exposure. Also, it's the kind of screen exposure.
Exactly.
I'd like to talk
There's a
about brain
lot
rot.
of- yes,
Brain rot is
a lot of overstimulating things.
Yes.
the name brain rot is very justified.
Yes.
Like that
What is
itself,
Brain
is
rot is
basically it's like very nonsensical. It's not even cartoons. Like cartoons, sometimes they have morals. One we grew up on, like Chota Bheem
Yes.
and stuff. That's very
Those are the best.
the
OG
weakest.
cartoons.
Chota Bheem.
There's
Yeah,
nothing
but
better
now
than
now they have like okay. I'd like to bring up Skibbity Toilet.
Skibidi Toilet and this whole
Yeah.
Tralaleo, tralala.
Yeah, and
Yes.
like all of
Six,
these things
seven
have
is
no
not that
meaning
bad.
to them at all.
Six,
But
seven,
they're so
but like,
addicted
yeah,
to these
fair.
things.
But like,
and-
even when they keep
yeah,
trying
it's a struggle, honestly. My younger sister, she isn't addicted to these things because I have a big part of it that I told her. Like, these things are so
all
nonsensical.
three of us actually
live in
have
the
basically
So
formed.
they're basically her sisters too.
Yeah.
Right.
We
So
might as well,
we,
yeah.
we all keep her away from her. We're like, no, you're not.
Yes.
So
Wow. Even my perception was that like your age group is addicted to screen. Oh, wow.
no, I mean, okay, there's that, and then there's also like we have a lot of like resistance to it in general. I know I didn't want to get Instagram because both of them had Instagram before me, both being younger. But like for my 10th at least, I didn't have that. It was
She
okay.
recently got it.
Yeah, like
We
after my
had-
boards during the summer, day after our boards, we had like a little party because we're like, okay, both have it. And then that day I got it.
we
And I
got-
needed them to
we
help me
had a
set it up.
sleepover at my house.
Yeah.
And so we
That
they,
was
like, helped
fun.
me
got
set it
her
up.
an Instagram, and that okay, I'm gonna be
That
honest here.
night.
That night, she was on her phone the entire day.
First time getting Insta outside. But I haven't scrolled since then. I'm very proud to say it. Like I
Yeah.
do not scroll.
Whenever I come to her house, she's
she's
usually like
Always
on her
doing
devices.
Something.
On her devices, it's mostly just schoolwork. Anytime I see her.
Or if she scrolls, she doesn't do like that overstimulating reels and all. She's scrolling through Amazon, like searching for dresses or clothes.
Hmm. Well, then अब तुम लोगों को पता चल गया है कि it's more awareness about it. That's why you know that things are not good.
Oh, I would actually like to talk a little bit about that only. See, I think a lot of people, parents in general.
Yeah, बोलो बोलो.
I'm sorry, guys. Sorry. No, there is a huge thing, me personally at least, where parents try to take our phone.
Oh.
It's a little annoying because I personally don't use my phone for Instagram and for anything that is. I mean, I use it for Instagram as in to talk to my friends.
Why
to see-
did it take your phone away from you? Why?
Because they usually think that whatever is happening is because of our phone, which I would say not really. Because I have books on my phone that I read, which is like if you take my phone away, I'll probably just read another book. But then it's the thing that's like you're taking it away because you think it's attached to me, which makes me feel a little bit weird because I'm not attached to it, like attached to it. I use it to read, and if whatever I'm reading is interesting, I definitely want it back. But I think that in general, my parents read it as like you're addicted, you need your phone, you definitely need it. But I
Exactly.
don't.
So
I
if
just
you-
like what I'm reading.
Even if you take my phone, which I don't consider utna weak, but even if you do,
Not a big deal.
it's fine.
Like some people are affected by it, which in which case, yeah, you probably should.
So you can live your life without phone
Yes,
also.
I can find 100 different things to do.
Can you spend a month without phone?
Definitely.
No issues.
No.
It'll take some getting used to.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's easier
Also,
to say.
phones are like our main mode of communication. with our
Yes,
school
we
friends, so I
talk
feel
to
like
our
I'd lose my
friends
school friends.
a lot.
That's what. So if you take away our phone, it's like you're taking away, like if we're angry, you take away our source of communication to the outside world. Like I know multiple times.
Like I can only
after
talk
I'm
to them
angry.
without my phone, but the rest of my friends
Huh.
online. So
I
Takes some
even
getting used
later
to,
at night.
but sure we can.
If my parents get angry or like I get angry at my parents, they usually take my phone. But after I get angry, I usually go tell the both of them if I'm angry. And I like go and rant to them or call them or something or the other, which I
Also,
think
I feel
people
like one
have
of the
been doing.
reasons we are close is because we can see each other without our phone. Like,
Yes.
a lot of people you have to meet online, and I'm not that big a fan of texting.
Yeah.
I mean, I barely text them.
That-
I mostly call.
That doesn't make any sense, yeah.
Yeah.
There's no human or emotion involved when you text somebody. Yeah.
Also, like, text can be really misread.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Can be
it's very
misinterpreted.
draining to text because
Yeah, you can't
other
explain.
person is interpreting something else.
कुछ बोल रहे हो कुछ समझ रहा है कुछ ही
right.
और conclusion आ रहा है and then lot of gaps. Wow.
If people text properly, then I think they can do
Yeah,
it.
using commas.
But, yeah, if you
dashes.
know-
Not like that. If you
Who
know
texts
each
like
other
that?
enough, then I think it's
Please come to my house, comma. I will be very pleased if you do.
Yeah, generally no one texts.
yeah,
Rita.
I do.
All right, now this is the section which I call this is a situational based. No, it's a truth section. You all have to speak truth. ये क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा.
Were we not?
Raise your hand. Okay.
Okay.
जिसने ये काम किया है. Okay. And
We will monitor the other.
be truthful.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Oh, definitely will 100% be.
Okay, then you like lock him.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay, okay.
और कभी किसी ने पैसे चुराए हैं? ओ बड़े अच्छे बच्चे हो यार.
I know, right?
सच में नहीं.
ओके. कभी क्लास बंक किया है और कहीं और चले गए हो?
I don't like to. I did once.
I recently did.
Okay, what
It was the end of the day. English 11th grade English was very boring, to be honest. वैसे 10th was really nice, 9th was nice. 11th बहुत ही depressing boring है. So we were all really tired and like we did a lot of accountancy that day. So हम लोग थक गए थे. And some of us, a lot of people went, but some of us stayed in class and were like, what if we just don't go? And the teacher didn't come to call us. And she doesn't care. So we were just sitting there, we're doing stupid things in class.
कहाँ चले गए वो निकल के गए कहाँ पे? क्वेश्चन वाज कि कहीं बाहर चले गए.
We बाहर नहीं गए. We just
Oh,
bunked.
that class.
Our schools are locked. Like, we can't leave.
We can't leave. There's teachers everywhere, so we can't leave.
If we bunk it inside school. Bunking in the sense, my teacher really hated me for this once. But so no, because for this again the convention that we all went to, we had to prepare for it a lot. It was like because of that, I had to skip a few classes daily, like towards the end, 1 or 2, and then I have to go meet them, and then also with other teachers and my principal. But my teachers wouldn't let me go. And there was this one time, my teacher, like, she locked me in the class. She was like, you're not going anywhere anymore. And so I sat there, I was like studying. Yeah, it's near pre-boards, okay. But then, like, the 11th graders came talking. They were like, can we please have Bina Chatterjee to go? We need her here. And then finally they had to, like, they went to principal ma'am, and then she had to send my teacher a message. She like, no, please send the child. And then she was like, okay, you can go. But yeah, there was a huge discrepancy there. And that isn't exactly bunking, but that's my definition of it.
Right.
I've never missed a class on purpose. No, I haven't.
She's at a convent school.
No, it's not like that. It's more like most of the things I use for my exams are what the teachers say. So I feel like bunking is just weird because if you just pay attention in class, I don't even study that much. I mean, I study a lot. I study so much. Yeah, I know. But I don't study as much as I probably.
Next question. Next question. किसी ने कभी anybody help secretly to somebody? किसी को help किया in any form, like maybe financially, maybe किसी को help किया or friend and not
Something we're
letting-
not supposed to do.
Something or not?
yeah.
Oh, in first grade, I told my friend an answer to a question.
Oh, you go down.
Oh.
Help someone cheat? Does that count?
Maybe anything. It could be anything.
Oh, okay.
Your
Help
intention.
someone cheat
We
in
were
exam.
we were 6.
Oh.
Once or twice. But usually उतना कोई पूछता नहीं है. Sometimes I'm just like MCQs questions like.
अच्छा ये शायद पहले से setting रहती है कि मैं
हाँ.
The setting is done. 1,
We
2,
made
3,
this
4.
one. Okay, I'm gonna expose it because
Sorry.
I'm gonna expose this.
No.
It kindly was really
You're
stupid.
still in
No-
school.
Nobody used it. This was in DPS. Nobody
Of course.
used.
Oh,
Nobody used
name
it.
drop of school as well.
This is
Can we call it the school name?
no one.
Bleep out the school name.
No, it's fine. Okay, whatever it is, we did this one. A, B, C, D. This for A, this for B, this for C, this for D. For
Okay.
MCQs.
So it's like 1-to-1, like you helping somebody see it.
हाँ.
Okay.
Like our friend group formed. Okay, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow.
I mean, it wasn't that elaborate, but I feel like
Never
done anything like that.
No, it was, but nobody even used it because बहुत easy था. We're like SST है hard होगा. Nobody knows the MCQs, but it was actually simple. So nobody actually had to use it. Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Next question. रात को छुप के who gets up and eat from the fridge कुछ रखा हो तो चुपचाप
I know
से
she does. I know she does.
So when like during boards and stuff, I had to stay up a lot to study. Maybe
Right.
everyone had to, and I'd call my like school friends and stuff, and we like group study for
Right.
that. And then I get so hungry. They started leaving some rice. in the fridge.
When
Like,
it's other me, I just took biscuits.
Wow, you guys are so much more interesting.
देखो उसको सेल्फ डाउट शुरू हो गया.
you're she's intense
You're
right
gonna
now.
do
Like
this
log-
for like a few months.
Okay, I think the next question you'll say like
Yeah,
who
yeah.
who chuk chuk ke cried in the bathroom. Okay. You did. Without Mama doesn't know about it,
I don't know if she knows.
but now
She doesn't know.
Now she
Now
knows.
she does.
Okay. Would you like to talk about it?
No.
ठीक है. Fridge से खा लिया अभी. Anything that you guys want to express? Say. Final call. Anything you want to say? Anything. चलो अपने parents के बारे में कुछ या अपने career के बारे में. What? चलो अपने career के बारे में बताओ कुछ. What do you want to?
What do you want to
I
be?
hope I'm good at what I do. And everybody has, like, I think my biggest fear is that a lot of people, adults at least, they don't end up becoming what they want to be.
Right.
So, like, my mom isn't, like, she told me that she had other dreams as a kid. And that's like, I have other dreams. I don't not want to be what I want to be right now. And to have the freedom of choosing what I want to be, that's a great thing. And I was very confused and I used to think, well, maybe if someone told me what to be, that's, yeah. But there's really a huge volatility to this. Everybody is not what they want to be. They're somewhere else. They're doing someday. And it's not always about money. I think it's like sometimes you gotta think about what do you want to do. And like if a job feels like slavery, then that's
Don't do
also-
it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct.
But you have a choice to think like this. A lot of people don't have choice. Don't have a choice. They
know,
have
I
to
know,
do.
and-
Do you think you're a privileged kid?
I am extremely privileged. I would say, I know that like some things that I want to do, some extracurriculars, let's say they cost a lot, or like that I'm able to go for these things, that I'm able to afford these things, and they look good at college applications. Some people cannot afford standardized tests, and some people cannot afford giving retests and stuff. That's I'm very privileged in that sense, but yeah, that's to choose and to become what you choose. That's huge privilege.
This is a different question for you, Devyani. Oh, how much money is important for you? Like, do you think about it?
I have wants and stuff. Obviously, I want enough to make a life. Definitely.
After that's it. If I ask you to choose between love and money,
Ooh.
100%.
We were talking about this right now.
you? What about you? Love? Huh?
Love or money? I wouldn't choose money over everything.
Oh, why? Acha.
I feel like I'm
This
very
is an obvious choice, right?
I
for
feel like
everyone.
I'm very privileged to say this, but then because I have this privilege, I have the choice to choose anything with not money. So I feel like we should live life to the fullest, even if we
Don't have money?
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
Can you do that? If you don't have money, can you live the life to the
No,
fullest?
I feel
Because
like
your basic
Not in this
issues.
economy.
No, what I meant was because I feel like three of us are we are pretty privileged, right?
Yes.
We are like us and a few other, quite a few other people. Not everyone, but a few other people are also very privileged. So I feel like because we have this privilege, we should use it to the fullest because we don't have to worry about money.
I think a lot of people is that like when you give them choice between love and money, it's not always just should I pick monetary stuff? Should I pick? Sometimes there's a difference between like surviving,
It depends on your situation.
and
but
also
yes.
money is necessary to survive.
Yeah.
For us to not think of money as that much, tells us a lot about our upbringing, right?
Yeah.
Like a lot of people value money because they needed that, we needed that, and it's a privilege to choose love for money.
Yes.
All right. So we'll close it off. Thank you for coming. You people are amazing. You guys are amazing. Okay. And I'm not giving this credit to only you. I mean, obviously you are amazing, but to your support system also, to your parents also. Okay. They deserve this appreciation. Thanks to them to raising all of you in this way. Because तुम लोग के सोचने का तरीका, because if I remember my 15-16, हमें तो कुछ आता ही नहीं था यार, मतलब हम तो क्रिकेट खेलते थे, आम के पेड़ पे चढ़ के आम तोड़ते थे, हमारा टाइम बिल्कुल अलग था. बट यू गाइस हैव लॉट ऑफ क्लैरिटी, एटलीस्ट यू थिंक अबाउट फ्यूचर, एंड तुम्हारे जो ओपिनियंस हैं, इट कम्स विथ लॉट ऑफ क्लैरिटी एंड मैच्योरिटी. आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट.
Thank you. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
So we're going to do a chant.
Yes.
And
What do I have to say? 3, 2, 1.
podcast.
3, 2, 1. Podcast.